Hello dears, we are studying JEE MCQ and today's question is the property of material which enables it to resist fracture due to high impact load is known as options given: A. Elasticity, B. Endurance, C. Strength and D. Toughness. We have to find the correct option for this question. According to question, what is the property of material which can absorb, or we can say which can absorb load before fracture, or we can say which can resist load before fracture. So what is the property of material? This question is asked in SSC 2017, which is from strength of material. So first we see option A. Option A is given elasticity. What is elasticity? Elasticity is the property of material. Elasticity is the property of material due to which material can regain original shape and size after deformation when remove the load or force. That property is called elasticity of the material. The property of material to regain its original shape and size after deformation when the external forces are removed. Suppose this one is material and the length of the material is L. When apply the force on the material, then its deformation is del L, and del is deformation. Now in case of elasticity, when force equals to P, then deformation is equals to del L. But when P equals to 0, then del L is equals to 0, and it is called elasticity. So option A will be wrong. According to question, the option A will be wrong. Next option is option B, endurance. So now we see what is endurance. Endurance is that stress where the material operate infinite number of cycles is called endurance stress or endurance limit. Now we will see in the graph. This graph is a stress versus number of cycle. So in this graph is the graph showing when the value of stress is less. When the value of stress is less, then material operate high number of cycle, and when value of stress is high, then material operate less number of cycle. When value of stress is high, then material operate less number of cycle. That is, when value of stress is high, then number of cycle is less. If a material is operated at higher stress condition, then it will operate less number of cycle. But when decreasing the value of stress, then number of cycle increases. Similarly, if value of stress is increasing, then number of cycle is decreasing, and that is why when value of stress is decreasing, then number of cycle increasing. So this stress that at a particular point the value of number of cycle becomes infinite, and that stress is called endurance stress or endurance limit. And in a particular value of stress where the material operate for infinite number of cycle, is endurance stress or endurance limit. So option B will be wrong also. Next option is option C. So what is a strength? Option C is a strength. A strength, normally we can say a strength is the ability of any material. A strength is ability of any material. So it is the ability of material by which it is able to resist the deformation under load. It is ability of material by which it is able to resist the deformation under load, or in other way, that is load carrying capacity of any material. It is load carrying capacity of any material. It is a simple definition. Now its engineering definition is: in the engineering, a strength is the maximum value of a stress. A strength is the maximum value of a stress which a material can sustain. A strength is the maximum value of a stress which a material can sustain. So option C will be wrong also. Next option, the remaining option is option D, that is toughness. So toughness is the property of a material by virtue of which a material absorbs maximum amount of energy before fracture, and it is called toughness. Toughness is a property of material by virtue of which a material absorbs maximum amount of energy before fracture. The material absorbs maximum amount of energy before fracture. That is, when apply the load, so material resist maximum amount of load, and that property is called toughness. For example, taking a glass and wood. So toughness of glass is less than the toughness of wood. That is why the glass fracture faster than wood. The toughness of glass less than the toughness of wood, so the glass fracture faster than wood. Now according to question, the property of material which enables its resist to fracture due to high impact load. So it is similar to the option D. That is similar to definition of option D. So its correct option will be option D, that is toughness. So its correct answer is option D, toughness. The property of material which enables it to resist fracture due to high impact load is known as, so its correct option, that is answer option D, toughness, and option A, B, C will be wrong. So its correct answer is option D, toughness. And today's question is over. Thanks for watching.